In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Behance project as a PDF. If you've been searching for a straightforward guide to save your favorite Behance projects offline, you found the right tutorial. We all know Behance is a fantastic platform for discovering creative inspirations and projects, so it's incredibly useful to be able to keep a copy of those projects on your device for future reference. Let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to your Behance account. If you haven't logged in, make sure to do so. Once you're on Behance, you should take a moment to browse through your dashboards or use the search bar to locate the specific project you're interested in downloading. This part is crucial because finding the right project will ensure you're grabbing exactly what you need. Once you've spotted the project you're excited about, click on it to open it in full view. This step will take you to a more detailed page of the project, showing all the content, images, and descriptions included. Having everything loaded ensures you capture all the elements you want to save when converting it to a PDF. Now that you're viewing the project, it's time to bring up the Print dialog menu, which is the next step in converting this online content into a downloadable format. Simply press Ctrl and P on your keyboard if you're using a Windows or Linux computer. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to press Command and P. This shortcut is a quick way to open the printing options without navigating through menus. In the Print dialog, look for the settings or options called Destination. You'll want to select Save as PDF from the available options. This step determines what your computer will do with the content it's processing. Instead of sending it to a physical printer, this option converts the project page into a digital PDF file, which is exactly what we need. Finally, click the Save button. You'll likely be prompted to choose a location on your computer where you'd like to save the PDF file. Pick a folder that you can easily access later, perhaps a dedicated folder for creative portfolio pieces or inspirations. Name your file something relevant so you can easily find it again. And that's it! You've now successfully downloaded your chosen Behance project as a PDF, ready to view anytime you want, whether you're online or offline. This process is not only simple, but allows you to archive and organize your favorite projects for future reference or inspiration, making your creative toolkit that much richer. Thanks for tuning in and happy creating.